Good morning, class. Now I want to continue from where we stopped in our previous class. Now, we have this question. This is actually from 2009, question number 3. We have if log 2 is equals to x and log 3 is equals to y, and also log 7 is given as z. Find in terms of x, y, and z the value of log 28 divided by 3. Now, we need to understand something. We are asked to break down log 28 divided by 3 in a way that is going to involve x, y, and z. The meaning is that we should be able to break down 28 in a way that is going to contain 2, is going to contain 3, and it's going to contain 7. When you look at this question, we have 3 already. That one is solved. It means we have 3, and this one is solved. Then the next thing is to break down 28 in a way that is going to contain maybe 2 and 7. Now, 7 can actually go in 28. That will be 4 times. 7 times 4 will give us 28. It means 28 can actually be break down as 7 times 4. And you have already achieved 7. And also 4 can also be broken down as 2 raised to the power 2. We've also achieved this. That is, log of 28 divided by 3 can be broken down as log 28 minus log 3. This is from our second law. From our second laws of logarithms. This is log 3. Log 3 has been given to be 1. So we don't have any problem with this. But the next thing now is log 28. So let's break down log 28 in a way that is going to contain maybe 7 and 2. 7 can go in 28. So we can say 28 is something as saying 7 times 4. That is 28. That is this. Now, minus log 3. We can as well break down this from our first law of logarithms. Since it's multiplication, it's going to become log 7 plus log 4. That is from our first law of logarithms. So we can check our previous class on the laws of logarithms to understand this better. Now, minus log 3. Now, log 7 has been achieved, which is z. Log 3 has been achieved, which is y. But log 2 is yet to be achieved, but we have it to be log 4. Now, we can also break down log 4 as log 2 raised to the power of 2. 2 raised to the power of 2 will give us 4. Minus log 3. Now, we now have to be log 7 plus, from our laws of logarithms. Anytime we have a power, the power can actually come to the back. So this power can come to the back and becomes 2 log 2. Now, minus log 3. Now, all has been achieved. Finally, log 7 has been given to be z. So we can just replace this one with z plus 2. Log 2 also has been given to be x. So we just replace it with x minus. Log 3 also has been given to be 1. So we replace it with 1. It means that our log 28 over 3 now has been simplified in form of x, y, and z as z plus 2x minus y. This gives you the final answer to this question. Now, let's move to another question, which is, we're here 2008, question number 32. You have to simplify this. To simplify log roots of 8 divided by log 4 minus log 2. Now, log of root of 8 can also be expressed as log 8 raised to the power 1 over 2. 1 over 2 as a power means square root. This is the square root. That is not square root from laws of indices. Divided by log 4 can be expressed as 2 raised to the power 2. 2 raised to the power 2 is 4. Then minus log 2. So we have this. We can break them as this. Or if we like, we can decide to leave this alone. We can leave it alone as 4. Now, in breaking down this further, we can have it to be log. This is a power. It can come to the back. You have it to be 1 over 2 and log 8. 8 can be expressed as 2 raised to the power 3. 8 can be expressed as 2 raised to the power 3. This half has come to the back from our previous laws of logarithms. Then divided by, you have log 2 raised to the power 2 divided by 2. Negative from our second law of logarithms means division. So we can continue. Again, this 3 can also come to the back because it's still a power. It can come to the back. We have it to be 3 times 1 over 2. This 3 is now at the back here. We now have it to be log 2 divided by 2. We eliminate one of the 2. 2 raised to the power 2 is 4. 4 divided by 2 will give us 2. It means we have log 2 now. Recall, 2 raised to the power 2 is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Now, look at what we have. We have 3 times 1 over 2 log 2 divided by log 2. So log 2 can eliminate log 2. We have 3 times 1 over 2 left. Finally, we have to be 3 over 2. 3 times 1 is 3 divided by 2. And this gives us the simplification of this question. Log root of 8 divided by log 4 minus log 2. Thank you. We'll meet in our next class.